Hi, I'm Felix.
Hello, I'm Stanislav.
We're study abroad consultants for ISI in Japan. Let's take a look at the questions then.
Yeah, what's the first one?
What makes ISI different to other schools? A good question.
Yeah, it
There's
is.
many Japanese language schools in Japan, but let's explain why ISI is special.
First of all, we are the largest Japanese language school in Japan. We annually have about 7,000 students or even more, and from all over the world, from more than 120 countries. So as soon as you come to Japan, you will be able to make a lot of friends from all over the world.
We also have a multilingual staff who can speak up to 9 different languages. We'll support you in maybe even in your native language.
Yes, and we offer a great variety of courses that will support your future life in Japan, whether it's entering a university in Japan, entering a vocational school in Japan, or looking for a job in Japan, or maybe just learning Japanese for fun.
Question 2. Do we take a Japanese level test before we start studying? Yes, there is an online test, and it's around 1 month before you start school at ISI. We'll let you know at the time, of course. We'll send you a message. From this test, we'll use the results to find a class that is most suitable for your level. And don't worry about getting all the questions right. In fact, it's fine if you get all of them wrong. There'll still be a class for beginner levels as well.
Yes, we just need to know what your strong points are and where you might need our help.
Question 3. What are the career course levels and schedules?
It's a really good question, actually my favorite one, because we are really proud of our career Japanese course. We generally have 8 levels from zero beginner up to advanced. As Felix just mentioned, you are going to take a test and you will be placed in a class that best matches your current level of Japanese. Then your schedule is going to depend largely on your previous educational background, previous professional background, and your current level of Japanese. As soon as you join us, you are going to have a personal consultation with our professional career advisor, and they will make out a roadmap for you so that you know where your goals are, where you currently are, and how long the way till your goals is. You can join us as a zero beginner or as an advanced learner of Japanese. We accept students of all levels.
Please check the link below. Contact us if you have any questions about the school.
Yeah, we accept general questions about living in Japan, specific questions about studying at our campuses, about studying in Japan in general, about daily life in Japan. Whatever kind of questions you might have, we will answer them.
If you found the video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe. We'll see you next time. Bye bye.
Goodbye.